Everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Manish from Hotel Management School, and today we are talking about hotel finance. Hotel finance is a very complex field where we have to have a lot of internal controls related to hotel operations so that we can control the revenue leakages or cost leakages. Hospitality has a lot of transactions which are cash, credit card, or even a lot of churn around from the materials. So there is a lot of opportunities which relates to the revenue leakage and cost leakage. So hospitality finance has to be very strong process so that it can create the data, it can create the management information system which enables management to take proper revenue management decision, proper cost management decisions, to have internal controls which can prevent the revenue leakage and cost management leakage. So we're going to be holding a webinar with you all to explain how the hospitality finance works, how the different operational departments are interconnected to each other, and how the internal control works. In this 1 hour webinar, you will be able to understand how complex is the transaction, how complex is the hotel finance, and how can you tackle around it. If you are a budding chief accountant, hospitality finance professional, even the operational managers, this webinar is for you so that you can understand what are the data requirements, how we can make various decisions. We're going to be also holding a master class where we will be teaching budding chief accountants, budding supervisors, how to become a chief accountant, how to become a financial controller, where we'll be teaching all the financial aspects, journal entries, accounting entries, internal controls, how the different department works, what are the controls that are placed in every department, what are the accounting entries, how do we close the monthly books, how do we do the budgeting, how do we do the revenue management, how as a finance leader you can lead your team towards a hotel success. Hotel financial controllers are not only responsible for finance and accounting, but they are also responsible for overall success of the team itself. So we have to be very efficient. Nowadays, the role and the challenges of finance has been increasing and changing so far and so fast that we have to keep up the new technologies. We have to be involved in every kind of operational decisions, whether it's quality related, whether it's operational related, food and beverage, everywhere. So I will be teaching you, I will be mentoring you on these aspects. I have about 12 years of experience in hospitality, starting from being an accounting manager to a director of finance for multiple properties. Now I'm handling 16 properties in Myanmar. I learned all my knowledge through self-learning and also with the Shangri-La Academy, where I had to go through entire hotel operations, and I learned a lot how different decisions impact the hospitality profitability and how finance decision impact the operations as well. So we're going to be doing that in this masterclass. So you can subscribe to this masterclass on my page www.ehotelmanagementschool.com. You can go now and subscribe to this webinar as well. This webinar is going to be free, so you can join as much as possible and learn. And if you are interested, you can join the masterclass as well, which will be starting in September 2020. It's a 3-month class until December 2020, where we will be doing some pre-recorded classes, where we will be doing some live classes like this on Zoom or Google Meet, or however that we will decide, depending on the time availability between you and me. So we're going to be doing weekly classes, and we will be doing weekly assignments as well. So you have to do the assignments. You have to you have to complete a final assignment as well before you get any certificate of achievement that you are eligible to become a chief accountant or you are eligible to become a financial controller. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe now.